Hello, just having a bit tinker on with the assembly, and the book I'm looking at up here says Jonathan Caldwell's How to Write Games on the ZX Spectrum, and this causes problems. It gives the return as a value something like 3,160 something, and then it loads that memory location with that result, and it's supposed to be the player X coordinate in this case, which would be the same as a Y coordinate. So 21, I don't know, this is really weird. It comes out that it's super, I think this is a mistype, but it keeps repeating in other examples. And if you just bear with me, I'll try and find where else in the book it shows that loading HL with a sum and not like a location or a value or something. There. See, there it does it again. Initialize coordinates with that. And then I'm pretty sure one of the bigger games later on, see it again for one of the sprites. It's just try and find it for you somewhere. It's definitely there. Okay, oh, it's still using there again. There you go. Put that sum there adds up to 65,536, the end of memory. And there's that figure again. It just results in an integer out of range when you try and run it. So I've been trying to get over that problem, and I have, with just saying load HL, which is going to be the player X coordinates, which is equivalent to the ZX Spectrum Y rows. I want 12, and I want player Y, which is the X at number 2, so it's 12 down and 2 in. And load it into those two memory locations, which were defined here, initially set to 0. I should get rid of that, it's not used. So hopefully it should still be working. Did last time I checked, it's going to play me up now, isn't it? I've added some halts in as well to... Oh, there you go, you bastard. I knew it would do that. It's bound to. I've got an error. No errors, it says. Right, is it still going to flip me off after I've done all that talky? Ah, right, there we go. It's obviously... So it's just in basic graphics. So now, this is 12.2. What is ZX Paint? Not 0.2 for that one. Okay, so that's easy sorted. Watch this. Save the current screen, desktop. Save that, overwrite, yes, go back here, open a file, desktop A, okay, there you go, it's jumped. It's now at 12.2. In blurry vision. Stoner vision. Right, so I've also added about, I think about 8 halts into it. Not the best delay, but it does work, and it's, I think I'm playing the game here, I'm on a ZX Paint, for fuck's sake. I've slowed it down a bit so it's not super zapping all over the place. Okay, so it's nice little, make it a bit faster. And what I was very pleased to find out is I've got multiple key presses going on. So I'm going to move to the right, and I'm going to go up and down, moving right. And I'm going to move to the left and go down and up. I'll go to the top of the screen in squares. But I'll come down in left and right. So it's just using the keys 1, 2, 3, 4, just as per the book. But we can change them as well. Isn't that cool? 2 keys at once. So down. Up we go. Let's go down. Down. Go up. Down. Get back down to that corner. There we go. Brilliant. I can't break out this because I haven't wrote the instruction in to break. So, and this is B a C. I was actually 1 block too short, and I've added those in now. It just rises up to a peak, falls down to the lowest trough, rises up to the highest peak, and back down to low again. So you get a wave going on. You see the final graphics. You've seen it in the other demo anyway. So I've cured that weird sum thing that he does, and I'm sure I'm going to encounter one of the examples in his book. Obviously this is quite some way down from where I am. I'm still way up here in the early chapters. I haven't even got the sound yet. I just wanted to be able to learn how to place my user graphics wherever I want. I'm going to put it back up here somewhere, isn't it? Back in the variables. Yeah, loading the values into the place where you want to be. So equivalent, that's a poke, isn't it? Pretty much, something like that. Right, so I'm happy for now. I'm going to, as soon as I've learnt and can alter the player coordinates at will, start coordinates, I'm now going to add in a scroller, single line scroller to move the top of the C. And we'll see what that looks like. Ba-dum-tish. Right, I'm buggering off for a cup of tea and then get to work on the scroller. Catch you later, guys.